Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen and I have a surprise happy mail, and this is from our very own cat from LollyThimble, and I am so excited to open this thing, but I am super honored to receive another creation of some sort from Miss Cat. You guys need to check her channel out. She is awesome and I love her creations. So let's just get into it. And I love her wrapping paper. Okay, there you go. Beautiful kitties, and they're all wearing some headbands. Oh, it's so pretty. So let's just get into it. And I'm so amazed. This young lady is always finding time to surprise her friends. Oh my gosh. If I can get it open. Okay, here we go. Miss Cat, what did you do? I am just in shock right now. This young lady, it is her birthday month, and I've been watching other YouTubers receiving some beautiful mail from Miss Cat. Like, it's her birthday. It's her birthday, and she sends surprises to everybody. I mean, that's what kind of person Cat is. She is so giving of herself that even on her birthday month, she's giving. I just love her. Well, I got it open, and there's a little note up on top, and I'm very, oh my gosh. Hello, my sweet friend. Hope these little things bring you some joy today. Been loving your videos, sending you dinosaur-sized hugs. Much love, XOXO Cat. Oh, Cat, look at the little notepad. So cute. Thank you, my dear friend. Yes, and little do you know, I have things in the works for you, and it'll get to you, my dear. I promise. But oh, and she knows my colors. My color is purple. What? Oh, I'm a lucky. Oh my goodness, I'm such a lucky girl. Look at this. I love this corrugated stuff, texture. Look at this beautiful package she sent me. There's her bunny cookie, and there's her little pencil. Oh my gosh, I just watched her video. I just watched her video like a few days ago, making all these beautiful creations. OMG, Miss Cat. What? The purple pencil. Oh. I know, I'm ridiculous, but look at this, guys. She used fabric flowers. I love it. Yellow looks so pretty with purple, by the way. And it says, classy chick. I love her writing. Don't you just love that? I can't write like that. My penmanship is just awful. But look at the little baby chick. Too cute. I love it. So she said she used that old, like, not old, but you know, it's not the popular, it's not Stickles, or is it Stickles? Is it Stickles? Comment down below, guys, because look at this, if it can focus on the baby chick. There we go. Look at the glitter. That's the, mind the nails. It's so pretty. Thank you, Cat. Thank you so much for thinking of me. Oh my gosh. Let's dig into this little goodie. So she said on her video, this was like a goodie bag for cookies. What a great idea. Oh my gosh. I never thought to use like in the baking aisle. Like, this is the packaging for some pretty cookies. I love it. Oh my gosh. And this is the type of cookie that'll last forever. Sorry for the screeching, because I just did groceries at Crazy Walmart. It's Saturday and it's bumper to bumper shopping carts in Walmart right now. So I got excited. I came home and checked the mail, and this little package was waiting for me. Miss Cat, I love you, girl. Look at that. It's a cute little pocket. That is a great idea. I am going to steal that, but you know, like I said, this is packaging, purchased, but you always could copy, like I do. Copy. Oh, look at the little tag. It says, "To some bunny sweet." Oh, Cat, look at that. You're too cute. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh, I was gonna tell you. So she does all her foam art. This is the fun foam. See that? Look at that. So flat. I love it. Her own patterns. And she shared it on her video. So hopefully I can link that video here so you all could go check her out, because the patterns are all by hand, and I do everything. I do a lot of things by hand because I don't have a die cut, but look at her freaking shapes. They are so perfect. I love it. And she does her faces. Look at that. I don't know how to do that stuff. Like, I made her a little lammy crochet thing, and she put a really cute face on that thing. I was like, I cannot do that. See, I should make the stuff and send it to her, and then she can make the faces for me because she's got the skills. So I'm going to put this right here. Can we see that? Yes, we can. Whoops. Like that. There we go. And let's dig into this little thing. Look at the way she wrote my name. I love it. Anybody who could write my name prettier than me, I love, 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 love. Because I am not that skilled in the writing business, okay? And this pretty little purple bow. And I think she also said this was packaging too, that she purchased. I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see what's in this little baggie. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. Oh, is this the, oh my God, it is! Ah! Oh no, okay. That's easily fixed. So in the shipping, the little bunny ears came out. Love the tissue, by the way. You know, I'm saving everything because my husband calls me a hoarder. Okay, so I can fix that real quick because it just got nudged off the top. Okay, and good thing I watched the video, Miss Cat, because now I know. I mean, you are so talented, girl. I love it. Love it, love, love it. So I'm just gonna use my hot glue since every time I come in my craft room, I turn on this power switch, it will turn on my glue gun automatically. And that is way too much, Eileen. Anyway, oh, okay. So I'm gonna try and get it back on to where she had it. Very cute. And by the way, guys, she cut these ears herself, if you didn't notice me putting it back on. OMG, I love all of this beautifulness. Oh God, you guys, this is beautiful. Look at all these pretty flowers. And she hand painted this. So this is a wooden egg. I am so blah, 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 blah. This is a wooden egg that she hauled, I don't remember where, but if you watch her video, you will know where she got all her materials. And she hand painted these little wooden eggs, and they are so adorable. And the bunny itself is a wooden, like a doll, wooden frame or something. I'm not a frame, but a figure. And she painted it and added the ribbon. So this is ribbon, or not ribbon, blah, blah, blah. Yarn. So it's eyelash yarn. Very pretty, very cute. And you hear that jingling? Guess what? It's a little bunny bell. Can you see that? It's so cute. You see that, guys? I can't. Oh, it's a bunny. The little bunny Jingle Bell. There he is. And he works. It's a real Jingle Bell. Very cute. And she just did the little flags on her computer. She printed it out and cut it and added to the little banner. I mean the handle. I cannot speak today, guys. But whatever. I love it. Thank you, Miss Cat, for thinking of me. This is so beautiful. I love it. I don't know. I can't. Oh, there you go. So there's little safety pins she just stuck in there. Oh, it's so pretty. She's got buttons and satin flowers. Very cute. And she always has some little, something special hiding. And I love where she placed it. Right under the bow. So you can see that. Well, thank you, Miss Cat. I love everything. And I appreciate you. You're a great friend to find here on YouTube, and it's always hard to make friends with people in this day and age, and to make a friend through YouTube is amazing. So I just hope that what I create for you is as special as what you've created for me and you like it. So if you all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Check out my girl Cat at LollyThimble here on YouTube, and subscribe, join the family, and let's get creative together. Thanks, guys. Bye.